First of all, we have to know that the main problem is ourselves.
From our childhood, we have lived situations of male chauvinism without realizing it. So now we see such situations as the normal way to be. We must change our mind.
First thing,
we have to prepare boys and girls equally, so they will have the same opportunities. Second thing,
we don't have to judge anyone only for stereotypes. Third thing,
you have to be able to see the person regardless of him or her sex. Fourth thing,
give women the same opportunities that men have and ensure yourself they have the same right. Fifth thing,
make sure that women are visible in the fields of science and education. Sixth thing,
don't classify any profession by gender. Seventh thing,
a woman doing the same job than a man should earn the same as he. Eighth thing,
we mustn't classify sports, toys, clothes or colors by gender. Ninth thing,
men also have to do housework. 10th thing,
don't judge any girl for her job.